a fun time because we are just 30 minutes away to our TFC hour. So we will leave you now for now. So this is a fun
TFC Happy Hour! Excited na ba kayo? Ay, grabe. Yung mga nasa likod dyan, lapit naman kayo dito. At saka, yung mga may umbrellas po, may request sila, pakibaba po ng umbrella natin. Wait, para yan. O, tuwa sila. Oh. Minsan lang tayo, you know. Maganda ang tan. Here in Canada, yung mga kulay natin, ito ang hinahabol dito. Promise. Diba? So ngayon may mga tanong ako. Sino ang gutom? Kami. Buti na lang, marami tayong vendors. Ayan. Na-try nyo na ba lahat? And right now, she's one of our ultimate Kapamilya divas. Please welcome the Philippines Prima Diva. Please put your hands together for Jonah!
Hello everyone! Hello mga kababayan, kumusta po kayo? Such a great weather today, so we're grateful. I'm grateful to be here. I'm very happy to be here para po sa inyo to. Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You get by with a smile. You can't win at everything, but you can try. Baby, you don't have to worry, 'cause there ain't no need to hurry. No one ever said that there's an easy way. When they're closing all their doors, they don't want you anymore. That sounds funny, but I'll say it anyway. Boy, I'll stay through the bad times, even if I have to face you every day. You get by with a smile. You can't win at everything, but you can try. 'Cause in a world where everybody hates a happy ending story, it's a wonder love can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down and turn your face into a frown. We get along with a little prayer and a song. Everyone please do sing with me. Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You get by with a smile. Now it's time to kiss and let us tears goodbye. Everybody sing, do, your turn. Meron pa ba sila lakas ba? Okay, one more time. Let me hear you sing. Do. Come on, everybody, put your hands up. I'm sure you know this one. Come on, see. All right. Nung tayo ay bata pa, at ang galing-galing mo sumayaw, magpabugi man o cha-cha. Ngunit ang paborito ay pagsayaw mo ng El Vivo. Nakakaiba, nakakaaliw, yes, there, nakakatindi. But sino puso ko na umiibig na tunay. Everybody sing! La 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 la, la la, la la, la la, la 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 la. Kita kita sa isang magazine, din ang iyong suot ay sa isang tindahan, sa may baklaran, napatingin na tulala sa iyong kagandahan. Aalala mo pa ba na tayo bang dalawa? Di ko inakalang sisikat ka, tinawanan pa kita, tinawag mo kung walang hiya. Medyo pangit ka pa noon, ngunit ngayon, 1, 2, 3, sing! Iba na iyong ngiti, iba na iyong tingin, nabago ng lahat sa'yo. Sana hindi nakita, sana'y walang problema, bakit kulang ang anak kong pera? Alright, di naman to. Iba na iyong ngiti, iba na iyong tingin, nabago ng lahat sa'yo. Sana hindi nakikita, sana'y walang problema, bakit kulang ang anak kong pera? Pambili sa mukha niyong maganda. Nasaan ka na kaya? Sana ay masaya. Sana sa susunod na issue ay send a fool. Maraming salamat po! Now, first of all, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. How's everybody doing? Kumain na po ba kayo? Yes? Hindi pa? Well, marami po tayong mga Filipino food booths po dito, so sana po makaikot tayo, and sana makaikot din po ako after my performance, ano? Ano po ba yung mga ma-recommend nyo dito? Ano po? Isaw? Balon? Balon-balunan? Tama po ba? Oh, halo-halo! Halo-halo's perfect kasi po talagang napakaganda po ng sunshine ngayon. Mainit, ano? Halo-halo. Nasaan po ang booth ng halo-halo? Nandoon. How about yung isaw? Nasaan po yung isaw? Dito din po. Sige, mamaya. Samahan niyo po ako. Like, you know, actually, tayo po mga Filipinos, nagkakabonding po talaga tayo sa mga karaoke, food, ano pa ba? Chismisan, maritesan, diba? No, it's bad, but sana maiwasan po natin yung mga gossiping, mga chismisan. But of course, nandito po tayo ngayong hapon to celebrate our culture, our music. So now, I'd like to sing another song which is included in my album back in 2017 under Star Music. So, kung kayo po ay nanggaling sa Pilipinas or nakapanood po kayo ng mga teleseryes sa Pilipinas, like the one shown in ABS-CBN, yung Pusong Ligaw, may nakapanood po ba sa inyo yun? So, if you do know the song, sana sabayan niyo po ako. Meron po bang mga pusong naliligaw dito? May mga looking po ba dito? May mga naghahanap po ba? Si Kuya? Kuya, are you single? No, but this is for you guys. Sana magustuhan niyo po ito. Di kita malimutan sa mga gabing nagdaan. Ikaw ang pangarap, nais kong makamtan. Sa buhay ko ay ikaw ang kahulugan. Pag-ibig ko, walang kamatayan. Ako'y umaasang muli kang makan. Ikaw pa rin ang hanap ng pusong ligaw. Ikaw ang patutunguhan at pumuntahan. Pag-ibig mo ang hanap ng pusong ligaw. Mula noon, bukas at kailanman. Ikaw at ako'y sinulat sa mga bituin. Hagilid sa gawing sumang sa lumin. Mayroong lungkot at pananabig. Kung wala ka'y kulang ang mga bituin. Aasa ako't babalik ang ligaya aking itin. Hanggang sa muling pagkikita, sasabihin, mahal kita. I love you po. Ikaw pa rin ang harap ng pusong ligaw. Ikaw ang patutunguhan at pumuntahan. Pag-ibig mo ang harap ng pusong ligaw. Mula noon, bukas at kailanman. po sa mga may mga nilolong sa buhay, may mga hinihintay bumalik. But now, are you ready to dance? Ay, yung mga nandito po sa unahan, ready na po ba kayo sumayaw? Ay, ready po? But before that, gusto ko lamang pong imbitahan kayong lahat to watch all the ABS-CBN shows, of course, through the Filipino channel. Nakasubscribe na po ba kayo sa TFC and I Want? Ano po yung mga programs na pinaka-paborito nyo po? Showtime! Of course! Sino po yung pinaka-paborito nyo sa Showtime? Nene Vice, ganda! Ano pa po? Aside sa Showtime, ano po pa po yung mga favorite nyo? ASAP, of course! Nandyan po kami ni Eric Santos sa ASAP. At syempre, kasama pong ilang mga music icons like Mr. Gary Valenciano, Mr. Jean Velasquez, Ms. Shasha Padilla, Mr. Ogie Alcacid, Tito Martin Rivera, of course. At okay, dahil po nasabi niyo po ang ASAP, Showtime, once again, I'm inviting you all to watch ASAP. That's a Sunday musical variety show. Tuwing kailan po ba pinapalabas yung ASAP dito? Mga Sunday din po. Anong oras? Anong 3 o'clock in the afternoon po. Afternoon. Oh yeah. So, tuwing hapon po, 3 p.m., sana huwag na huwag niyo pong kalimutan panoorin ang aming musical variety show, ASAP. Ano po? Kuya, alika dito, dali. Come join us. Pero magaling ka kumanta. Magaling naman to kumanta. Okay naman. Ay, alika na. Sige, sumama ka na. One more, female naman, female. Yung mga magagaling kumanta dito sa audience. Halika kayo. Kuya na naka-green na naka-bun. Halika dito, dali. Bakit puro lalaki? Teka, I need one female. Para ano naman, may variety tayo. Dito po sa likod, meron. Ay, puro lalaki. Sige, halika. Oh, mukhang ano dala-dala ang barangay. Oh, guys, wait lang let's have a bit fun. Iisa lang microphone natin. So, you guys know how to sing. Just wanna make sure. Okay, sige. Ano favorite yung song na i-belt out sa karaoke? Oh no, I should ask for your name first. What's your name?
I'm Bryce,
Bryce. And how old are you, Bryce?
31,
31. Okay, are you from here? From downtown Toronto?
Mississauga.
Mississauga. How far is Mississauga from Toronto?
It's about a 35 minutes out the GO train.
Oh, by train. Thank you for coming here, Bryce. Thank you. What's your name po?
Rowell.
Rowell. Naku! Mukhang pambato ng organizers natin. Kuya Rowell, so are you from here?
Yeah.
Just
Summer Northern.
for Northern. Okay. We have Bryce. We have Rowell. Huwag ka pumahiya. That's okay. Hi, everyone. What's your name? Presley. So, you're also from Toronto?
Mississauga.
Same as, Oh! So, who's younger?
Me. I'm young.
Okay, how old are you?
22.
22. Wow. Such a baby boy. Still a baby boy. My gosh. Hi! How are you? What's your name?
My name's Em. I'm such a huge fan.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Em. Thank you. It's so nice to finally meet you. Thank you for supporting me, my music. Good luck to you. Naku, pag-fan ko, alam siya, magaling kumanta yan. Oh. Em, hi! What's your name?
Ryzen.
Rise. Oh, what a nice name. Ryzen, like a sun, right? So how young are you, Ryzen?
22.
22, same as Presley. Sorry, I'm bad at names. So, okay, let's have a little fun. What's your favorite go-to karaoke song?
You know me. Cult of Personality by Living Color.
Okay, can you just sing a few lines? Show them.
Cult of Personality by Living Color.
Can you sing?
Okay.
Okay, go.
Look in my eyes, what do you see? The cult of personality. I know your anger, I know your dream. I'm here to wanna be. Oh, I'm a cult of personality.
That's nice. Okay, we will reveal your score later, okay? Okay, kahit di ka manalo, okay lang. Oh, nanashock. Ay, oh, thank you. Oh, sige, let's have selfie muna. Before we proceed to... Okay.
Thank you.
Bryce, ikaw naman, ano yung favorite karaoke song mo? And can you sing a few lines for us?
Sure. Manila, Manila. I keep coming back to Manila. Clap your hands, y'all. Simply no place like Manila. Manila, I'm coming home.
Sabi mo kanina, nahihiya ka. Parang di naman lumapit pa talaga dito sa harap ko eh, no? May showmanship, ano? Mataas score mo sa akin kasi igabi yung showmanship mo. But thank you, Bryce. Okay, so we have M. Oh, ikaw muna. Oh, anong favorite song mo?
Pwede po ba Tagalog?
Of course, what naman?
My go-to karaoke song is Bukas na lang kita mamahalin.
Okay, M, take it away.
Bukas na lang kita mamahalin. Sabay sa paglara ng ating bayan. Bukas na lang kita.
May modulation. Grabe yun, oh!
I'm totally shaking.
Thank you, ah. Ang ganda ng modulation mo. You have a really wide range, no? Tapos, tinignan ko yung ano niya. Anong tawag ba doon? Yung parang tonsillitis niya. Tonsillitis mo.
My phlegm.
Hindi. No. Can I just say na ang ganda kasi ng placement ng mouth niya. Parang perfect for a singer.
Oh my God.
Oo.
Honor and privilege.
Presley, can you show us your singing capability?
Yeah. I'm a big Disney fan, so
So what's your favorite
I would
Disney
say
song?
A Whole New World.
Oh, that's my favorite! Yeah. If you need help, just let me know.
Of course.
Okay, I can help you with that.
I can show you the world. Shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, when did you last let your heart decide?
Maybe you don't need help from me. Oh, galing naman. Oh, he's on point, no? Nasa todo lahat ng mga kinanta niya. In fairness. Congrats, Priscilla, no? Presley. Lagi ako nagkakamali. Presley. And Kuya Rowell.
Ay, kinakabahan po kasi ako sa stage.
Kinakabahan ka? Halika dito sa unahan. Para ma-overcome mo yung stage fright. Halika dito. Kantahan natin sila. What's your favorite song?
Your song, Pusong Ligaw.
Can you sing it to us?
Ikaw pa rin ang hanap ng pusong ligaw. Ikaw ang matutunguhan at pupuntahan. Pag-ibig mo ang hanap ng pusong ligaw. Mula noon, bukas at kailanman.
Guys, bravo!
Thanks so much, Jack.
Thank you, Kuya.
Agila!
Agila! Agila! Okay. Alright, so Guys, I hate to say this, pero syempre ayoko naman na sa akin manggaling yung judgment. So sila na lang yung bahala kung sino yung parang pinaka-favorite nila. Okay, so first we have Bryce! Ay na, yung mga kabarangay ni Bryce sa Mississauga! Naman, cheer for Bryce! Oh, may standing ovation ka pa.
Ryzen.
Horizon! Horizon! Ay! Marami kang fans dito sa likod. Ayan. Okay, we have Presley! Oh, may standing ovation ka na naman, oh. Basta mga mother, tita, lola! Oh, say hi to your lola. And okay, to Kuya Rowell!
Thank you, guys.
Dami fans ah. How about Em? Dami fans. Oh, mula likod hanggang harap ah. So, we know who's the real winner, no? Well, actually, they're all winners. Pero lahat sila makakatanggap ng gifts from TFC. Prepared ba kayo? Meron ba? But the pinaka-winner si Em! So, another big clap for Em. Thank you, Em, for your nice singing voice. I hope to sing with you in the future when you go back to the Philippines, no? Okay, guys. Ano kayo, mag-picture tayo dito before you all go. Yes. Oh, ano yan? Huwag ka na mahiya. Sabihin mo na saan.
I would like to thank my IFCNA family!
Hi! IFC family, right? Okay, so guys, come on, let's have a groupie.
Yeah.
Wala man lang pa music. Kayo po, are you ready to sing and dance? Okay, let's go. So all the J-Lo fans out here, this is for you guys. Like a movie scene in the sweetest dreams, I pictured us together. And I feel your lips on my fingertips. Have to say he's even better than I ever thought it could possibly be. It's perfect, it's passion, it's setting me free. From all of my sadness, the tears that I cry, I have spent all of my life waiting for tonight. Oh, when you would be here in my arms, waiting for tonight. Oh, I've dreamed of this love for so long, waiting for tonight. Oh, oh, One of the days when this hurt used to sit on my empty heart, all alone in my bed, tossing and turning, emotions were strong. I knew I had to hold on, waiting for tonight. Oh, when you would be here in my arms, waiting for tonight. Oh, I've dreamed of this love for so long, waiting for tonight. Oh, when you would be here in my arms, waiting for tonight. Oh, I've dreamed of this love for so long, waiting for tonight. All right. So let's get loud, let's get loud. Turn the music up, let's do it. Come on, people, let's get loud, let's get loud. Turn the music up to hear that sound. Let's get loud, let's get loud. Ain't nobody gotta tell you they gonna say? On everybody, I wanna dance and love and dance again. I wanna dance and love and dance again. Oh, 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 if this would be the perfect world, we'll be together then. Only got just one life is to learn. Who cares what they gonna say? Everybody sing. I wanna dance. I wanna dance. Alright, so, oh, selfie, of course. Oh, thank you very much, Paul. Thank you very much. Okay, now, so who's ready to party? Let me introduce you to the party people in the club. If you go hard, you gotta get on the floor. If you're a party freak, then step on the floor. If you're an animal, then take off the floor, break the sweat. Yeah, we work. Don't stop, keep it moving, put your drinks up. Pick your body up and drop it on the floor. Let your rhythm change your world on the floor. You know you wanna get tonight on the floor. Brazil, Morocco, London to Ibiza, straight to Millennia, Vegas to Africa. Dance the night away, baby, you can stay on the floor. I wish I would have seen there. Dance the night away, grab somebody, drink a little floor. Okay, so when I say jump, we jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. Tonight we gon' live on the top. Tonight we gon' live on the floor. Break it down, break it down. Bring this one through, right through the dance floor. Right through the bars. Night and night, make some noise. It's on the floor. Tonight we gon' do it on the floor. Tonight we gon' do it on the floor. Tonight we gon' do it on the floor. I love it all. So, are you guys ready for one more? And this time, sasayaw na kayo ah. Now this is for all the dancing queens here in Toronto. Come on everybody, music please. Yes, ma'am. All right.
Grabe energy. Galing-galing ni Jonah talaga, no? We'd like to thank you all guys for coming here today. And like I said, I'm so happy na nasiyahan kayo doon. Thank you din po sa ABS-CBN Global, TFC, I Want, Plaka, MX3, RLC, Western Union, Go2 Meds, and Pine Ridge Memorial. Without our friends, mahirapan po nating maisakatuparan yung mga ganitong festivals. Before po tayo mag-continue, gusto ko po maghanap pa-volume. Can you hear? Higher volume, please. I'd like to call on two ladies who know the lyrics of Bakit Ngayon Ka Lang by heart. Alam niyo ba yung Bakit Ngayon Ka Lang? Yung kanta ng mga late. Sino nakaka-memorize ng Bakit Ngayon Ka Lang? Ay, wala nakakaalam ng Bakit Ngayon Ka Lang. National anthem yan. Walang nakaka-memorize ng Bakit Ngayon Ka Lang? Memorize niyo po? Yung dalawang nakakaalam, punta na po dito sa stage, sa may gilid ng stage. Ay, dito. May nakakaalam na Bakit Ngayon Ka Lang? Meron na? Yung mga songers natin dyan. Ikaw sana ang aking hanap. Meron? Okay, ate. Ayun! Meron ng dalawa. Okay? Okay? Hindi, doon pa muna kayo sa gilid. At least ako gusto nyo makaduet. Pwede ba akong makahingi ng A dyan? Ano nyo, galing akong Hawaii. Last weekend ito, Shaka, no? Shaka meaning Hang Yosef, pero sa Bini, may mga fans ba ng Bini dito? Ay, ako. Si ate talaga. So, because Bini is coming to Toronto this August 27. Toronto, eto na to. On August 27, Bini is bringing the Signals World Tour right here to our city. And kailangan natin ipakita sa kanila kung gaano kalakas ang Toronto. May mga tickets na po ba kayo? Sino dito ang ready na marinig ang hits live? Ready na makita ang choreo vocals, fan chants, and full Bini energy on stage? So ngayon, bili na po kayo online. Pero parang may naririnig ako nagpa-plak. Parang may nagwa-warm up backstage. Parang may nagwa-warm up ng boses. Naririnig nyo ba yun? Ready na ba kayo sa kanya? Hindi ko naririnig. Louder! Louder here! Ladies and gentlemen! Yan, teka lang. Grabe talaga naman, binitin ko talaga kayo, no? Please welcome!
What's there to look forward to beyond the biting cold? Cause they say it's difficult, yes, stereotypical. What's there beyond sleepy work in this cruel life? Ain't there nothing else round here but a human strife? Cause they say it's difficult, yes, stereotypical. You gotta be conventional, you can't be so radical. So I sing this song to all of my age, for these are the questions we've got to face. For in this cycle that we call life, we are the ones who are next in line. We are next in line. Whoa, we are next in line. What is life to offer me when I grow? What's there to look forward to beyond the bad and cold? Cause they say it's difficult, yes, stereotypical. You gotta be conventional, you can't be he's a radical. So I sing this song to all of my age, for these are the questions we got to face. We are the ones who are next in line. We are next in line. Whoa, we are next in line. And we gotta work, we gotta feel. Let's open our eyes into whatever it takes. And we gotta work, we gotta feel. Let's open our eyes. Hello everyone! Are you just in the dog? We are next in line. We are next in line. And we gotta work, we gotta feel. Let's open our eyes into whatever it takes. And we gotta work, we gotta feel. Let's open our eyes. I sing this song to all of my age, for these are the questions we've got to face. We're in the cycle, we collide. We are the ones who are next in line. Hello, mga kapamilya! Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. I am so happy to be back here in Toronto, Canada. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Buti hindi masyadong mainit ngayon, no? Kahapon daw mainit, tapos umuulan pa. I think, hindi, kayo po ang nagdala ng sunshine. Maraming salamat for having us here. Salamat, The Filipino Channel, palakpakan natin. And of course, Plaka, Teresa and Mon Toralba, maraming salamat. Plaka Chair Philip Mendoza and the board. TFC, I Want, ABS-CBN Global, at sa lahat po ng mga Filipino volunteers, palakpakan po natin silang lahat. Actually, nandito lang kami ni Jonah last April. We had a concert. Ngayon, bumalik ulit ako. Sana hindi pa kayo nagsasawa sa amin. At dahil dyan, I have prepared mga 250 songs for everyone. Hanggang bukas. Okay lang kayo dyan? Okay, I would like to give you this medley of beautiful songs that I have recorded for the John Lloyd Bea Tandem. Kung di niyo po na itatanong, ako po ang kumanta ng lahat ng theme songs ng kanilang teleserye and pelikula. So I hope you can sing along with me para lang tayo nagvi-video, okay guys? Huwag kayo mahihiya. Okay lang ba? Ito ay inaalay ko sa lahat ng mga in love. Sinong in love ngayon dito? Taas kamay. Oh, marami. Eh, yung mga heartbroken, parang mas marami. Eh, yung mga medyo, paano ko ba sabihin? Medyo mga tanga sa pag-ibig. Hindi ka marami. I think, itong mga susunod ko kakantahin, very fitting para po sa inyo lahat. This is for all of you. All of my life it seemed that something had been missing. I didn't know what to do. Days would pass me by each is as lonely as the other, until I met you. You opened the door and let the sunshine in. My life will never be the same. Now that I have you, everything just seems so right. Now that I have you, I'm alive. You are the song that I'll be singing my whole life through, and living in a brighter world. Now that I have you. Even though it's been so long, my love for you keeps growing strong. I remember the things that we used to do, kissing the way till the sunshine through. I can't deny, but I'm still in love with you. I miss you like crazy. Ever since you went away, every hour, every day, I miss you like crazy. I miss you like crazy. No matter what I say you do, there's just no getting over you. Just one night, and we'll have a magic feeling like we used to do. Hold on tight, and whatever comes our way, we're gonna make it through. It seems believing it's worth the wait, so hold me and tell me it's not too late. We're so good together, we're starting forever now. I miss you like crazy. I miss you like crazy. Ever since you went away, every hour, every day, I miss you. I miss you like crazy. No matter what I say or do, there's just no getting over you. Come to me and only, and you will see the love I give, for you so hold the key. Every single day, you always act this way. For how many times I told you I love you, for this is all I know. All right, everybody now, come on. I'll never go my way. Agents of the God. Thank you. Ha? Ano sabi mo? Ang gwapo ko. Pakilakas ko. Sa personal lang, sa TV pangit. Ikaw sana aking yakap-yakap. Kaya mo yan. Ang iyong kamay lagi ang aking at hindi ka na. Come on, you can do it. Bakit ngayon kailan dumating sa buhay ko? Pilit binuksan ang sarado ko ng puso. Ikaw ba harapan sa
Harapan sa akin
at sabay dapat ko nang limutin. Nais kong malaman bakit ngayon kailan dumating. At hindi naman tayo humarap. Ikaw sana ang aking yakap-yakap. Ang iyong kamay lagi ang aking hawak. At hindi kanya, at hindi kanya. Bakit ngayon kailan dumating sa buhay ko? Ang sarado ko ng puso. Ikaw ba harapan sa akin? At sabay dapat nang limutin. Nais kong malaman bakit ngayon kailan. Everybody! Bakit ngayon dumating sa buhay ko? Pilit binuksan ang sarado ko ng puso. Ikaw ba at sabay limutin. Nais kong malaman bakit ngayon bakit ngayon dumating sa buhay ko.
Pilit binuksan ang aking puso.
Ikaw ba harapan sa akin? At sabay dapat limutin. Nais kong malaman bakit ngayon. Kaya mo yan. Everybody! Maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you so much. Ha? Pa-picture? Sige. 50 lang, 50. Siyempre, solo ka rin. Back in 2006. At alam mo, alam mo. Sino yun? Ang galing mo ha. Kumakanta ka rin. Do you sing? Alam mo yung kakantahin ko. And marami na pong version ang narinig nyo sa awiting ito, but I am so privileged and honored that I have my own version of this classic song, one of the best in original Filipino music, of course, written by the great Ray Valera. Ito po ay inawit ko para sa teleserye pa rin ni John Lloyd and ni Bea. This is for everybody. Ang pag-ibig ay sabihan ganyan, tiwala sa isa't isa'y kailangan. Dati mong pag-ibig, wala akong pakialam. Basta't mahal kita, kailan pa man. Huwag kang mag-isip ng ano pa man. Mga paliwanag mo'y di ko kailangan. At kahit ano pa ang iyong nakaraan, mamahalin kita maging sino ka man. Mahal kita, pagkat mahal kita. Iniisip nila ay hindi mahalaga. Mahal kita maging. Everybody. Mahina nang ikaw ay ibigin ko. Ako'y isang bulag na umiibig sa'yo. At kahit ano pa ang iyong nakaraan, mamahalin kita maging sino ka man. Mahal kita, pagkat mahal kita. aking sino. Alright, thank you! Thank you. One more! Anong gusto niyong kanta? Maliit ang gabi. Ano ba? This is the moment, the final test. Destiny making, I'll never reckon second best. I won't look down, I must not fall, for this is your moment, your sweetest moment of the month. Okay, let's party! Rock it to my heart. Rock, baby, rock. Say we'll never part. Everybody! Sa bawat ilaw ng iyong katawan, ako ay nayunan, nahihirap. Come on, love. Thank you, guys. Rock, baby, rock. Ang init. Si Annie ang bata ng taga-Frisco. Lagi na po sa sweldo niya sa disco. Mga problema niya ay kanyang nalilimutan. Pag siya'y lumilukod, sumasaya. Sa umaga, dispatchadora. Sa gabi siya'y bonggang-bongga. Pagsapit ang dilim, nasa boko na. Si Annie ang bata sa disco Istabela. Sa disco siya ang reyna. Si Annie ang bata ng taga-Frisco. Laging ubos ang sweldo niya sa disco. Mga problema niya ay kanyang nalilimutan. Pag siya'y lumulugod, sumasaya. Sa umaga, sa gabi siya'y bongga-bongga. Pagsapit ang dilim, nasa boko banana. Si Annie na kung bakal, sa disco Istabela. Sa disco siya ang reyna. Hello! Thank you, guys! Sasarap sa pagpipili natin.
masyadong mainit.
Thank you, everyone! Nawala na. Buti na lang, magagaling kayo kumanta lahat. Maraming salamat, guys. Ang sarap talagang ang sarap talagang mag-perform para po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat. Dahil dyan, ibig ko pong tawagin muli ang aking singing partner for today. Jonah, everyone! Okay lang ba mag-selfie tayo? Thank you!
Grabe, sobrang enjoy ng audience natin.
Sobra! Okay,
Okay, let's go.
kausapin muna natin sila, Miss Jonah.
Yes! Alam niyo po, masayang-masaya po kami ni Eric na makabalik po dito sa Toronto. Last 2 months ago, around May, first week of May, nandito lamang po kami kasama si Christian Bautista, and we had our concert, yung Trilogy Top Tier,
Yes.
with Jessica Sanchez and Sofronio Vasquez. So now we're very happy that we're back dito po. So maraming salamat po sa inyong support. Thank you so much po for coming this afternoon. Napakaganda po talaga ng weather. We are really blessed.
Yes. Sana po
Hindi
ay
natuloy yung
nag-enjoy
ulan.
kayo. Oo nga.
Oo.
Sabi ko nga, dinala nila ang sunshine dito ngayon sa event na to.
Oo nga, din sa Harborfront. Naku, alam mo, ang wish ko talaga, makaikot tayo dyan, makalakad-lakad dito man lang. Kasi parang napakaganda ng lugar. Ano po?
Napakaganda.
Napakaganda po talaga ng lugar. But,
Kasing ganda mo, Miss Jonah.
wow, at syempre kasing gwapo mo naman, Eric Santos.
Thank you very much.
Kasing kinis at kasing laki ng muscles. So,
Ang init eh.
Totoo, sobrang init mo.
Nag-jacket pa ako. Hindi ko na panindigan yung jacket ka, mainit pala.
Na ano po talaga niyan, plot twist po niya yan para mapakita niya talaga yung pinaghirapan niya.
Ah, ganun ba yun?
Oo, alam ko yung mga ganyan galawan ni Eric.
Sa susunod na ako na sa Viva Max na siya. Joke
Oy,
lang.
alam po nila, oy, nanonood in fairness.
Anyways, we want to give you this special song. And again, maraming salamat sa ating mga minamahal na kapamilya, mga kababayan natin dito sa Toronto. Thank you so much. Mabuhay kayong lahat.
And now, this is a reminder for everyone to do not stop believing in ourselves at sa mga pangarap po natin. Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere.
Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going anywhere.
A singer in a smoky room, his mouth wide chain perfume, and for a smile we can share the night. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting, walking down the boulevard and shadows searching at night. Streetlight, people, living just to find emotion. hiding somewhere in the working hard to get my fill. Everybody wants a thrill, paying anything to roll the dice just one more time.
Some will win, some will lose. Some are born to sing the blues. Oh, the movie never ends. It goes on and on and on.
Strangers waiting, up and down boulevard in shadows, searching in the night.
Streetlight
People living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Streetlight people. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Streetlight people. Don't stop.
Thank you, everyone.
Don't stop.
Thank you, everyone.
We love you so much. Thank you po. God bless you.
Love you guys.
Thank you so much. Ah, can we take picture with you all po? Once again.
Ayan, selfie lang po. Groupie pala.
Join us, join us. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Dito ka po. Dito na ka. Let's go.
Dito na lang tayo. Punuan din. Sumiksik na lang kayo. Sabi ko sa'yo, wala din. Nakasya ba tayo? Wala talaga.